gluten-free stuffing for Thanksgiving. Check out how I made it. You gotta start out with gluten-free bread. So first, let's give it a try, see what we're working with. It's not horrible. I think we can do it. Let's get started. So first step is we gotta break all this up into little pieces. We're going into our oven at 250 for 20 to 30 minutes to dry it all out. Like little gluten-free croutons. You know we're gonna hit it with a little pop. As you can see, we got 2 full trays. Now let's cut us up some celery and a couple onions. 1 stick of butter, onions, celery. Now our celery and onions are almost done. We're gonna start getting our spices ready to add. First, we're gonna go in with some whole fennel seeds, then some rubbed sage. Then the last thing you need is Dano's Original. It's got tons of rosemary flavor and that garlic and the onion that you need. Grind it all up together. Should look about like that. Now we're gonna add some of the squeezed 2 garlic. Now we add our spice mix. Turn the heat off and mix it in. Alrighty, we pretty much got croutons now. Now it's time to add our fixings. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of this ground sage on top. We're gonna hit it with some Dano's as well. Next step, your gluten-free chicken stock. Let's get us a little sample. It's good. We're gonna do more sage and more Dano's and at least another half container of our chicken stock. No, we'll get a try. I think we're onto something. We're gonna go ahead and just use the rest. So 2 whole containers, 3 loaves. The bread is holding its consistency. That's why I keep adding more, because it's kind of staying crunchy. Now we're going back into our oven at 425 degrees. All right, it's been about 35 minutes. Let's get a bite. It's pretty hard to beat, and the flavor's awesome. You know that. It's yum yum, get you some.